All right, guys, 2015 Challenger HEMI 5.7. There she is. Nice, clean car. What we got done on her? Factory converter there and right there. Then H-pipe right there, aftermarket H-pipe. Then what we put on it is two Flowmaster 40 series. There'll be a link in the description for them. Part number 43041. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. But if you do get these, make sure you get them offset centers, but get them in 2.5, not 3-inch, because we have to make adapters for them to make them fit. All right? Because it comes 2.5, not 3-inch. But there's the H-pipe there. There's the Flowmaster 40s, and then 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side. And we continued it with 2.5 on each side, right there and right there. And reuse his factory tips to complete the look. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. There's the mids that were on it, right there. There's the rears that were on it that we cut off also. So, cleaned it up for them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And it is a 6-speed, guys, so no rev limiter. Nice. Much better. Flowmaster 40s. They always have such a distinctive sound to them. They sound as right at 100. What do you think? Perfect. Let's do it here. Do it again. Yes. Come on. If he's happy, we're happy. Challenger HEMI. HEMI power, baby. Very nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Always got something. Hey, one we forgot. What is it?
Subscribe!
We gotta subscribe, guys. Here we go, Challenger HEMI. Oh yeah. Beautiful, just clean. Enjoy, guys.